Hi, welcome to radgcrypto, a place where I try in my small way to spread the word about cryptocurrency, especially about Bitcoin, which I believe is the best thing that ever happened to the financial systems of the world, and the crypto that's going to probably bring a couple of billion people out of the poverty that exists today. Um, well, hello, this is July 3rd edition of my report, and I'm really amazed with what's going on in the world of crypto right now. Let's see, one of the biggest news, in my view, is that COINSQUARE and Just Cash made a partnership that enables non-bank ATM crypto transactions. So this is, if you think about it, really huge. CoinSquare, by the way, if you don't know, it's a Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform. I've been using it for a number of years now, at least two, maybe three, and I'm really happy with it. Down below, there's a link if you want to join in and make an account. Use my affiliate link if you would, and I'm gonna get also a little reward about that. However, that's not important. What's important right now is that CoinSquare, which is a trading platform for cryptocurrency in Canada, has announced it has bought an 8-figure controlling stake in fintech software producer Just Cash. So it says that there is approximately 250,000 non-bank ATMs that can potentially be upgraded with this feature. So let's think for a moment. This map of the world right now shows, it's an amazing map. Coinmap.org provides it. In July 2019, there's 15,066 venues. So this number is steadily going up. And this is the map that clearly shows that the Europe, where did it go? North America and Asia are clearly on fire with acceptance, with the venues that accept the Australia has a lot of work to do, of course. Africa, South America, in a way. Also, we can see Argentina lit up, Paraguay, and this is Colombia, Venezuela. So this shows also something interesting. All the places where there's upheaval, that's unrest, that there's economic troubles, like in Europe. For example, look at the Europe. Why is this acceptance in Europe so high? Probably you've heard that there's issues with Portugal, Spain, their credit issues with within the European Union. They're asking for help increasingly from Germany and France. Um, England has its own issues. And there's Italy, who has big economic problems. So people who live there, they're trying to preserve their wealth in some way, and increasingly so. They choose to either accept cryptocurrency in their own businesses as a form of payment, or they choose to buy through various sources cryptocurrency. So for all these people, buying cryptocurrency is going to be way, way easier now. Just think about it. Up until now, you had to go to a specific ATM that would be uh, doing exclusively purchasing of crypto, and it was really cumbersome. It is cumbersome. It's still cumbersome if you want to do it in the ATM type of machine. And you also all know how easy it is to do a regular banking on the ATM and withdraw cash anywhere in the world with your card. So this company, Just Cash, is proposing, and they have already an update for the software that can be done like a firmware upgrade. So there's no need to move the ATMs or change anything physically on them, which in turn means it's going to be much easier. It can be done over the network. So it's going to be much easier to just go regularly into a store where you see it and you say, oh, I have an extra $60. I want to buy some crypto. Let's say I want to buy some Bitcoin Cash. So you will be able to buy Bitcoin Cash, Ether, Dash, Litecoin, Stellar, Ripple, Dodge. That's quite a big choice here that they're going to offer. Anyway, so this is one of the biggest news, in my opinion, because according to this, all these places that are lit, those are first going to start accepting and implementing this ATM machine software upgrade and make it even easier for people, regular people, to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Where are we now at the coin market cap? Well, we're looking this positions: Bitcoin first, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. It didn't change much and run down. However, we see that the Bitcoin price is steadily going up after this flash crash to under 10,000. Now it's gone back to 11,267 US dollars. That also tells you something. It tells you that Bitcoin found its support around $9,600, and it found its like a obstacle around $13,000. However, the buying volumes are massive right now. So there might be a breakout pretty soon. I'm hoping. We can only hope, right? One more thing. This Bitcoin block reward halving is looming. It's going to happen 20th of May, 2020. Interesting. This date seems to be shifting a little bit. It used to be 22nd of May. I remember that because that's my wife's birthday. But anyway, it's almost less than a year now away. And for the Litecoin, it's even closer. It should be on the 5th of August, the Litecoin block reward halving. So we might expect some movement on the Litecoin as well. We'll see. This is something interesting I found. I'm still going to look into it. Apparently there's a wallet, it's called Monarch Wallet, that can bring you interest just for placing your crypto to be used for investments, and then you get interest on that. Bitcoin is currently trading at $76,000 in Zimbabwe. Now, I was completely floored when I saw this. This is happening in Zimbabwe right now because there's, huge problems with their currency and the economy overall. Addressing the Zimbabwe situation, Mati Greenspan, senior analyst at eToro, has said that the rebirth of Zimbabwe's dollar has caused the price of Bitcoin to skyrocket in the country. This is happening today. $76,000, over $76,000 for one Bitcoin. And the regular price right now, overall in the rest of the world, is 11,267. So you can imagine that there's quite a ways to go. There's a big number of unique addresses of the Bitcoin blockchain also on the rise. You can see it from this graph. Data is from blockchain.com, and between June 25th and June 30th, number of unique addresses fluctuated between 664,000 and 521,000. These numbers are mind-boggling. Okay, well, this is all I wanted to say for today. One more thing, it's very important to understand. According to my internet research. I don't have it here, but there's like 3. You can check it out for yourself. Just search for how many millionaires in the world. What I'm trying to say is, think about this. There's 35 million millionaires in the world today. And as you know, there's going to be ever only 21 million bitcoins that are going to be mined. And this is, right now we have like 17 million, but the rest of the, like 4 million or so are not going to be mined in entirety until the year 2140. So in between, there's going to be halvings in rewards. So this is like a perfect storm. There's not going to be even enough for every millionaire in the world to own one full Bitcoin. Think about that. Right now, you have a chance. Buy half, buy a sliver, buy a tenth of a Bitcoin, and just keep it. Keep it for a year or 2. Your future self is going to be thankful to you, I'm sure. All right. Have a great day, everybody. And for my friends in the States, have a great celebration tomorrow. Enjoy yourselves. And remember, live longer and crypto prosper.